This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Nuclear weapons have been launched against the United States. 6 nuclear warheads have been launched from Russia. Possible impact locations include Los Angeles, California, San Francisco, California, San Diego, California, Las Vegas, Nevada, New York City, New York, Atlanta, Georgia, and Washington, D.C. The missiles will impact these areas within the next 15 to 30 minutes. If you are within 50 miles of any of these cities, take shelter immediately. If you have a room designated as a fallout shelter, go there now. Bring 14 days of non-perishable food, water, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message.